How to make an album cover on iPhone. So the easiest way to do this is to use PixArt. So go ahead and download PixArt, and after downloading it, just open it up. After that, click on the plus icon and scroll down until you see color backgrounds, and just choose the transparent one. After this, add a picture from gallery, adjust it to fit the frame, and tap on apply. Now edit the picture with all the effects here. You can play around with what you have. Go to crop and make sure that the ratio of your album is 3000 by 3000, as this is the standard size for album covers. Moving on, what I do is go on tools and adjust basic edits like brightness, contrast, and all the stuff here. After that, you can add text, maybe the title of your song, album, or whatever you like to put here. Just add icons, text, stickers, add any elements that you like, and after that, you can press next, save it, and then save it to your gallery. So that is how to make an album cover on iPhone. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.